ki khubor ki babnya Unong yalam kalyang persha ubalong ru unong yalam ka seng TMC Dr. Mukul sangma hene ka sngi ula kanoi ka Sorkar MDA balalam khmat de ka seng NPP ye ka jingdon kti ka jong uban luti hadu shis pa sau folklore tingka na ka jala da ka jing thiet ya praspa hneu akar ka jaka hamau padang ka badan ha East KHASI Hills District haba ai jing kren chikilat pathai khubor ha ka office trekam ka seng TMC ha shillong hene ka sngi usangma ula Khot ya ka Sorkar MDA kum ka Meghalaya Deceitful Alliance namar ka jingle abutu jongka ya kinong shong shnong jongka mau padang dong mau khanu da ka jing thiet ya ka jaka na kinong khayi jaka ha ka dor prapusan dingka shi square feet katba ka dor bashisha bla thiet na kinong shong shnong ka long sau pusan dingka shi square feet Shushu ula kano bayakani ka rai layo jingbit na ka cabinet ka jala ha ka sautrik risau arhajar phuwei da ka badawa bandon do da ka jing tokit da ki kin hun Sorkar pedeng ha ka ne ka jingle thok ha ka yadi ke thiet jaka usangma ula ong ba udon ka jingkerman ba ka Sorkar pedeng kan shim khia yakine ki jingkno wala ukam bakam don kanu ka sabut ban kershan yakine ki jingkno
of a land which comes to around 807 acres and which were purchased from the residents of Mapadang Maukanu village at the rate of 45 rupees per square feet, for which the government ultimately paid to the middleman a very highly inflated rate of rupees 85 per square feet. Meaning, the government has embarked upon this modus operandi to have their middlemen purchase the land, duping the landowners, innocent landowners, innocent villagers, at a throwaway price of rupees 45 and made a payment of rupees 85 per square feet to their middlemen.